Cookie? Don't bite. Part 1. Hey, Rainbow. You making brownies? Huh? Hash brownies? Swirl, 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 swirl. Silly form. Excuse me, dude, but that's a little misleading. Statistics show that no one has ever died from weed overdose. Look, Mom. I'm cool. Phew. That was getting a little boring. Now, where were we? Hey, Rainbow, you making brownies? No, Pampa. I'm making Flookies! Back, uh-oh. Caution, rabbit pet. Who, me? Cookie monster! Kill, kill. Bite.